We're on our way to MP1 Suspension, about a 2-hour drive. Exhausted right now, but very excited to get the suspension worked on by Mike. Some of you may know about MP1, some of you may not. It's a really popular place in Ontario for a lot of people to bring their race bikes and such. So I'm really excited for Mike to get the suspension done. Just left MP1, guys. Just met Mike, really nice guy. Was explaining a lot of things to me about suspension. I ended up actually deciding on a color, so I'm going to be color changing the forks and the rear shock. Drop a comment down below, tell me what color you guys think I chose. I will not tell you yet, but I'm going to be releasing a video once I have picked everything up and it is finished, and we'll be doing a reveal for you guys. So yeah, take care, stay safe out there. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. End it. What are you doing?